So we're scheduled to get really high winds, and I'm hoping that you can see this haze all day. We've had this amber colored light, which is, I don't know if it shows up on the video or not, but we get when we have wildfire and a lot of smoke in the air. And over in this direction, there's usually more hills, and as you can see, there's none. Even across the way here, it's very just very kind of dark. It smells bad, but normally when we get wildfire smoke, it smells a lot like a campfire, but today, different smell. So I don't know if we have some fires kicking up locally. I looked, I didn't see anything on all the weather apps. It says our air quality is good, which it's not. It's very, very hazy. It stinks. Or, you know, there's a bit of irritation in your throat. But so I'm assuming this is the wildfire smoke. We have a high and low pressure coming through. Colorado's supposed to get snow, and we're on the warm side. And what happens is when you get those two different pressure systems or weather systems, we have the Columbia River Gorge, and it just funnels the air through from the east to the west side, and we're expecting high winds, probably starting in about an hour, but we'll see. High winds for here at least, but pretty awful looking, and it stinks. So unfortunately we're gonna have to take this party inside. So thanks for watching.